Hello! Articles from SUU's library database can be linked to directly from Canvas. Keep in mind that when adding a link, it might not work in Chrome, but it will work in Firefox. To add a link, go to Modules. In the module you'd like to add the link to, select the Add Item icon, which is located to the right of the module title. From the drop-down, select External Tool, then select Library Resources. Search for a topic. We recommend using a full-text article or an ebook. Find the link you'd like to add and select the Add icon. If the Add icon doesn't appear, again we recommend using Firefox. Select Add Item. The link will now appear in the module. If it is an ebook or a full-text article, students will be able to view the article from within Canvas.